Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Dr. Crochet. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful shawl. I have used two patterns to make this beautiful shawl. The first one is the crochet wire stitch and the second one is crochet shell stitch. It's very simple and easy. I have used 3 shades of color to make this shawl. You can also make in the same color. It's very simple and easy. Here I have used only wire stitch to make this beautiful shawl. You can use this pattern to make shawl, cardigans or cape shawls as well. It's up to you. So let's start how to make this beautiful stitch. First of all, we need a crochet hook. I'm using 5.5mm crochet hook and a double ply wool yarn. So let's start. Make a knot and chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now make a slip stitch with the first chain and form a ring. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make 22 double crochets in this ring, including these 3 chains that count as 1 double crochet. I'm going to make more 21 double crochets. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip the 6 stitches and make 1 double crochet in the 7th chain. At the end of row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn over and make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Now I have completed 1 double crochet in each chain. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and chain 1. Make 1 double crochet in next stitch. Chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now complete working like this. Chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the top stitch of the first double crochet. Here we have completed our round 1. Now chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 2 double crochets and make a slip stitch in space between 2 double crochets and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 1 slip stitch. Skip 2 double crochets and 1 slip stitch between the third and second double crochet. Again chain 3, chain 4, again chain 4 and 1 slip stitch between 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 double crochet between 1 slip stitch between 2 double crochets. Now after making 1 loop of 7 chains, 3 loops of 4 chains, I am going to make 7 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make a slip stitch between second and third double crochet. Again chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and make a slip stitch between second and third double crochet. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. And make a slip stitch in the top of the last stitch, first stitch, in the top of the first stitch. Okay, chain 3, that count as 1 double crochet and make 10 double crochets in the loop. Make 10 double crochets in this loop, then make a slip stitch from this loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 4 and make 1 slip stitch in this loop. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 slip stitch and make 10 double crochets in this loop. Again make 10 double crochets in this loop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and make 1 slip stitch in the middle of this loop. Again chain 4 and 1 slip stitch in the middle of this loop and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 slip stitch in the middle of the loop. Again make 10 double crochets make 1 double crochet in the third chain of the loop. Now we have completed this round. Again chain 3 and then 1 double crochet in each stitch. Make a slip stitch in the middle of this loop, chain 4, and again slip stitch in the next loop. Then make a slip stitch in the middle of this loop, chain 4 and slip stitch, and again 1 double crochet in each previous double crochet. Again chain 3 and chain 1, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, chain 1 double crochet, chain 1 double crochet. Now make slip stitch here in the middle of this loop, and make 1 double crochet by spacing chain 1 in the next double crochet. See, it's very simple and easy. Now round 3, chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, skip 2 double crochets and make slip stitch in between second and third double crochet, and chain 4, slip stitch between 2 double crochets, slip stitch, make 3 loops of 4 chains, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Make a loop between, skip through 2 double crochets from here and 2 double crochets from here. Now I'm going to make slip stitch between second and third double crochet. Again 3 loops of 4 chains. I hope you like this pattern. It's very simple and easy to make. It's ideal for making shawl, cardigans and cape shawls. I hope you like my video. So keep watching. Stay tuned. Goodbye. Have a nice day.